Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Gigi and you're watching Styled by Glam. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I style my short hair. I've had a long history with a different kind of hairstyle, and I've definitely have a good variety of short hairstyles. At one point I had a pixie cut. This is considered a little bit longer already. I am a fan of short hair. I just like how it feels and how it looks. Today's look is my everyday look, and I hope you will find this video helpful. Of course, before moving on, just gonna do a quick plug. If you haven't already and you enjoy lifestyle, fashion, and vlogs, hope you will give this channel a try and click that subscription button as well as the notification for future videos. And I usually post on Mondays. Also, check me out on TikTok and Instagram. I post on those platforms on a daily basis, and I share a lot on my stories as well, so I would love to catch up with you guys over there. And now that the housekeeping is done, let's hop on over to my bathroom and get this tutorial going. We are now in my bathroom and we're going to get started with styling this short hair. Before going to my styling part, I'm going to share with you some hair care products that I use that I think it's really good for your hair in general. Even if you don't have short hair, it's great products to use. First up, we have these guys, the Biore shampoo bar and the conditioning bar. I switched over to these bars about, I want to say 2-3 months ago, and I've been using them ever since. And basically this is the rice water formula, where it's supposed to keep your hair soft and strengthen your hair and also prevent white hair. But yeah, this is the product. This is the shampoo bar I've been using. It looks like a little moon cake, which is so cute. And the little tip is they do have monthly subscription. I get sent one every 3 months. However, I did notice the shampoo bar goes a lot faster compared to the conditioner bar. So I'm gonna keep my shampoo bar on the subscription plan, and then I think I'm just gonna buy whenever I need the conditioner bar. Second product is this guy, the Vegamore hair serum. I've been using it for 2 months now. I don't use it every day. I usually use it whenever I wash my hair, which is roughly every 2 days, every 3 days. I do notice a difference. My hair is growing quite fast, and I do notice less breakage when I do use it more as well. Pretty simple. It's a little serum bottle. And after I wash my hair, I take about this much, maybe half a syringe, and then I just kind of drop it onto the top of my head. And since it's very liquidy, it does kind of drop down a little bit, and I just massage it in to get it in there. And that's that for the serum. And now onto the styling part. Before drying my hair, I wipe it dry with the towel as much as I can before using the hair dryer. And at this state, I then apply this guy. My hair is very straight, as you can see. I need to add a little bit of texture, and I think for short hair especially, it looks a lot better if there's more volume to it, and this spray does an amazing job. And even though the bottle is really tiny, at first I thought I would go through it really quickly, but I've been using it for 2-3 months now, and it's still a good half a bottle left. So mini but mighty. Now we're gonna dry the hair. And done, all dry. I swear the Dyson hairdryer dries your hair so much faster. It dries it literally in less than 5 minutes. I love this hairdryer. Next up, after your hair is dry, I go in with a 1-inch iron curler. I usually curl the top layer of the hairs to give it that more wave look, because even though with the spray, because my hair is so straight, it doesn't give me that full wave. The reason why I still use that spray is because the hair on the inside lower layers are so short, there's no way I can curl it, so it kind of does the trick and gives it that volume underneath. And then we go in with this on top to kind of smooth out the curls and give it a more defined beachy wave look. The iron curler I use is this one. It's by Conair. It's a double ceramic, fairly standard. I didn't get the Dyson air curler, which I know it's very popular right now, but I feel like that one doesn't really work on short hair. I still need a real iron curler, and this 1-inch one works great when your hair is at this length. This guy also has a turbo button, which makes it amazing because it heats up really quickly and you can go immediately and get the hair curling going. Alright, the curler is now heated. So what I do first and foremost, for the most part, the lower layers I don't curl at all. I kind of just let it do its own thing and give it that messy look. And I take the first strip here. The first one I always curl away from my face, but make sure you pull it down like this so that the curls aren't like too tight. It's just a light little wave. And then I'm going to take that next one and curl it towards my face. So I think the trick with a shorter hair is to make sure you keep your curls like you do one towards, one away to give it that messier vibe, and it will give it more texture. And as you can see, I'm not really nitpicking at the size of the strand that I'm picking up. As long as it kind of picks up together, I just style it that way. I think it gives it more a messier look and more natural, and that's what I'm going for. And towards the back, I kind of like, I keep it half and half. So if I kind of go down from like here in the middle, and if this half, I'm kind of like curling this way together. Now this side is already done. I can move on to the other side. Same deal. Pick up the first strand. I usually go away from my face. And then obviously this side, I always do this side last just because I have to use my left hand and I suck at doing it sometimes. So this group, and I don't know, I feel like I have more hair falling onto this side of my face, so it gives it more of a volume sometimes on this side. But with short hair, honestly, the curling probably takes less than 5 minutes or so if I'm not talking into the camera and figuring out everything at the same time, the angles of the camera. Like the back ones, I actually just take a big chunk and curl as much as I can, give it a little poof. It doesn't have to be perfect because that's not what we're trying to go for. We're trying to give it that little extra volume. But what's great about using that wavy spray is I don't have to do any of the ones that's underneath. It's already given me that poofier look. And then lastly, I'm gonna do a quick iron out some fuzz, because the one thing about the wavy spray, it does give you a little bit of a fuzz. And we're done with this. And finally, for hair product to kind of hold things a little bit more, I go in with this Living Proof molding clay. It's just a drugstore brand, but I love it. It's not super sticky. It doesn't feel like I have anything in my hair. As you can see, I'm just using like teeny tiny bit, and I'm just tossing my hair in like that, giving it a little bit more texture too. But because we curled it, it's not fuzzy anymore, which is great. As you can see, it's more smoothed out. This helps smooth out even more anything. And I like to tuck one side into my ear. And that is it for my hair. It really is so easy and so quick, great for every day, and that's what I do. It lasts me, I want to say this poof lasts me a day and a half, and then usually by, after overnight, 2 nights, I have to wash it and redo it, which most of the time I like to wash my hair around that kind of schedule anyway. And that is all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for joining me again. If you've enjoyed this little tutorial, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. Wishing everybody a happy Monday, a great week ahead, and I will see you guys on the next one.